In this video, I'll show you how to install the Ultimate Trainer for Resident Evil 7 to unlock cheats like infinite health, ammo, and other powerful gameplay options. Check my video description for the site link. Select the manual download option next to Reframework. Same thing, download this Ultimate Trainer. Once download done, right click on the Reframework and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this input 8.dll inside of a game folder, and then go back, open the Ultimate Trainer, drag and drop these files inside of a game folder. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in the main menu of the game, you can able to see Reframework. The default menu key is Insert key. Whenever you press the Insert key, you can open this Reframework. If you want to change this menu key, then expand this configuration, select the menu key, and you can set whatever key you like. I set it to 1, and whenever you press the 1 and the reframework will opens up. Expand this script generated UI. Expand this RE7 Ultimate Trainer. Expand this one by one. You can check mark the things you like to use. I'm gonna check this infinite ammo to show you guys it's working. Now just close stuff here and get inside the game. And as you can see, there is no reload and no ammo is decreasing. The trainer is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.